Greetings and welcome back to the Galley of the Sun. Tomorrow we wish to dine on Portuguese pork sandwiches. They are called Bifanas. So today we need to get the marinade together. So I'm going to throw a lot of ingredients at you, but worry not. Down in the description section there will be a link, take you right to galleyofthesun.com, and there will be the recipe. All right, let's do it. In a bowl goes minced garlic, 1 entire cup of white wine, a bottle of beer, we're using Modelo's, a little bit of white wine vinegar, a little bit of peri-peri sauce, Spiceology's Tomatador seasoning, a little bit of cinnamon, smoked paprika, sweet paprika, and some sea salt. See? Salt. We shall get that all whisked together and set it aside. Got a pork loin here. I'm going to cut that into 1/8-inch slices. If you can't get it that thin, get as thin you can and then put it in a Ziploc bag and mash the crap out of it until it is 1/8 inch thick. But I got a pretty sharp knife. I think I can do this. When I get this all sliced up, I'm going to chuck it in a Ziploc bag. I'm going to pour that marinade in the bag. Then I'm going to chuck it in the refrigerator overnight. So we will see you tomorrow when it's time to get that out and do the next steps for this incredible sandwich. We'll see you then. We find ourselves in the next day now. Our pork has been marinating in that incredible marinade overnight. Now let's get these sandwiches together. Over to the stove. Well, okay. Let's address the elephant in the room. During prep, there was a minor mishap, and I can only count to 9.99 right now, so hence the glove.
Now stand aside, worthy adversary.
'Tis but a scratch.
Okay, over to the stove. I've got my larger skillet, my Lodge 13.5 or 2.5, whatever, inches. It's big. Got that on medium heat. To that, we will add butter and our pork lard. And we shall get that melted. Now we shall add our red bell peppers and onion. We're going to cook these for a good 10 minutes or so until they're good and soft. Onions and peppers have been cooking about 10 minutes. I'm happy with their softness, so I'm going to take half of them and move them to this skillet. Now with our remaining onions and peppers, we will add our marinade, keeping the pork behind for now. If you use a Ziploc bag like I did, makes this step pretty easy. We will also add our can of crushed tomatoes. I love the Centro brand. And our bay leaves. Now we'll give all this a stir and bring this to a boil. Once that comes to a boil, I'm going to lower it down to a simmer, stirring it occasionally, and let it go for about 10 minutes. The sauce has been simmering for 10 minutes, and I have removed the bay leaves. And I've turned the heat off because I don't trust myself. Because the next step is to put an immersion blender in there and make all this smooth.
I have a bad feeling about this.
I've already cut myself today. I'd like to minimize the burns.
Does he know what he's doing?
All right, I'll tell you, this is the first time and most likely the last time I will ever use an immersion blender in a skillet. Dutch oven only. Messy. Vitamix to the rescue. After a good amount of cleanup, heat goes back on. Now we're going to lay the pork in there one piece at a time, making sure that each one of those gets covered in that sauce. All right, all the pork is in. We're going to make sure those all get covered, and we're going to let these simmer for about 15 minutes. The meat for our Bifanas, our Portuguese pork sandwiches, has been simmering for about 15 minutes. Let's get this sandwich made. And yeah, I kept the shirt on to remind me before I publish this video, I'm going to change the recipe and say do it in a Dutch oven. Skillet was a dumb idea. Dumb idea. Dumb.
He's not wrong.
So on our bottom bun, we're going to spread some of that incredible sauce. And then layer on the pork. And then I've been reheating my onions and peppers over here, so a few of those on top. And then the top bun goes on top. So I'm going to get this all pertified. And speaking of pertified, we'll get the director over here for some judgment. We'll see you then. All right, in the making of this meal, I have cut myself. I have covered myself with Bifana sauce. Bifana sauce. And yeah, it's been a heck of a day. So hopefully this is good. We'll find out. The director will tell us. Hey baby, I've had a hell of a day.
Hi, I'm sorry. Mine's actually been pretty good.
I'm good. Hopefully this will make it better. Hopefully this will be the best Portuguese sandwich you've had today. Mm-hmm. This week?
Yep.
This month? Mm-hmm. Ever?
That's good.
What do you have to say about it?
It's kind of sweet tasting.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's got a lot of white wine in there, some peri-peri sauce, a lot of red bell peppers.
You can really taste the pepper to it. Not spicy at all, just flavor.
Yeah, I use the extra mild peri-peri sauce.
Very good.
Okay, there you go. Hey, even if you do cover yourself with Bifana sauce and cut yourself, it's worth it.
Yeah.
All right, there you go. Give this a try. Hey, thank you so much for joining us today. And until we see you next time, fair winds and following seas.